All right, week 9, Bootstrap and HTML. This week for the coding assignment, I am to create a new website using HTML and Bootstrap. The website must include the following: at least 2 pages, a Bootstrap nav bar, table and form, Bootstrap grid used throughout to format elements, and then elements should stack vertically when the window is small, or it should be optimized for mobile use. Here, I'm just going to kind of cruise through the index.html page so that I can just show you the functionality of the code that I've written as it appears on a web page. If you want to try to see if the code works for yourself, here you go, knock yourself out. Here's the repository, and here at the top of my page is the basic metadata used for across the entire web page, excuse me. And here I have my nav bar. I've added an image to my nav bar. Click on, which brings you back to the index.html page across the entire website. I've got 3 pages in total. Here's my first grid system. It's 2 pages or 2 photographs that will stack on a small screen. And then here's my table, which is a menu with the product type, description, price, and then I have my JavaScript files in a footer. And the footer has links at the bottom. And just want to go through the site here again in case it's not able to be, or you're not able to replicate it. Let's go. All right, here is my Japanese ramen house website. The photographs are mine. I took them for a different client, and I'm just going to reuse them here. Some of the other design elements are taken from the internet. This is an Adobe element, and this I think is free source from Free Pix, PIX or something, and so is the final ramen picture. But here we go. Let's check the functionality. So first we'll do the nav bar. I'm going to click the order page. Takes me to order. I'll click the logo. It takes me back home. I'll click bar menu. Takes me to the bar menu page, and then I'll click the logo, and it'll definitely have to use the trackpad today. I use a pen tool and it's pressure sensitive, so sometimes it doesn't want to work. So just set it down. All right, here is my grid system with my 2 elements or photographs, and then here's my table. Here's my footer. This is what it looks like when it is minimized. It stacks for a small screen. Now I'm going to go over to my order page. These elements work. I added some buttons here. I need to add what I'm assuming is a Boolean expression in order for it to be one or the other. And then the submit doesn't go anywhere. But I've got another grid system here for photographic elements throughout the page, right? Okay. This is what it looks like when it stacks. And then we'll go to the last page, which I use cards for instead of a table on the bar menu because you cannot order a cocktail online. So how do you display a bar menu without allowing a user to think that they could click on it and select it to add it to a cart for a real application? And I thought maybe the cards would be used best for that. So I added an element through Bootstrap for this project. And then here's my bar menu. And then the final card, I used a grid to center it. The link works. And there's the footer again. And so it looks like stacked. Stacked. And then we'll check the bottom links. So there it is, week 9. Thank you.